Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over backing up and restoring workspaces in EdgeProX. Saving a workspace is a feature of EdgeProX that allows a workspace to be converted into a file so that it can be shared with another trader, EdgeClear support staff, or loaded onto a new computer. Saving a workspace copy onto your computer by default happens automatically when you close EdgeProX. Manually saving a backup workspace is useful in case a problem occurs with your workspace so that you can restore your saved file. To alter the settings in which EdgeProX saves a workspace, simply select Configure, Preferences. Once the Preferences window is open, make sure that the Auto Save Interval settings are enabled. Next, expand the Preferences window or select the lower drop-down menu arrow to access the backup settings. The Auto Backup feature will automatically create a backup file and save it into a folder at a specified interval. Older backups will automatically be deleted to avoid consuming too much disk space. Once you're happy with your settings, select Apply and OK. To save a workspace, simply select File, Backup. A pop-up window should appear with the file name and location. Press Browse to place the file in a specific location, or press Create to save to the default file location. To restore a backed up workspace, select File, Restore. Then select Browse and select the backup file you wish to restore.